Hey y'all, so this is the finished look. If you want to see how I got this, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications for updates of new videos. Back up in the stage,
I see the fakeness with my eyes. Tell me that they love me, know they hating in disguise. Find it hard.
What's up guys, it's Ash and welcome back to another video. Long time no see. How's everybody doing in quarantine? I mean, I'm pretty bored. What are y'all doing? Like, give me some suggestions. I'm running out of stuff to do. I think I've watched almost everything on Netflix. I've listened to all the music. I really just need something else to do. So comment below what y'all are doing. Hopefully it's something I can partake in too. I have not been making videos like I said I was going to be. In 2020, I said I was going to be more consistent. Like with the coronavirus and with school and stuff, everything was hitting me so fast that I was like, a video is the least of my worries. And I just graduated. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing DIY individual lashes. Do it yourself, because why not? Yeah, so let's get into the video. All right, so I really just got everything from like the beauty supply store, and I'm gonna be using Ardell individual lashes. And a lot of people use hair glue, but I'm gonna use individual lash glue because that's what I think you're supposed to use. It was stuck in there. Okay, I actually bought this a long time ago, like by accident. I really hope it doesn't expire. I don't know. But I'm using this Ardell dark adhesive lash glue. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this video. First, you want to make sure that your lashes are all clean, free of like oil and leftover glue and makeup or whatever, because that's important for lashes to stick. Like I said before, I'm using the Ardell lashes and I'm doing the short, medium, and long length. Sorry guys, I didn't realize I was out of frame. I kind of had an issue sticking the lash at first and I could not see in that mirror. I wear glasses, so I was trying to get it together, but yeah. Y'all are not gonna believe what I just did by accident. So the glue not all the way dry yet, but I just ripped off 3 whole individuals. Can y'all even? Yeah, I just ripped off 3 whole individuals. Like, I was getting somewhere. now you can obviously tell the difference. I'm definitely not done. I'm still gonna go in and feel more, but I'm finna start on the other eye. I'm left-handed, so I started on this eye instead because it was easier. So now I'm finna struggle again with the other eye.
Okay, so I'm going to try my very best to explain this. I feel like this is the best clip for you guys to see what I'm actually doing. So I'm taking the lash and I'm applying it right above my waterline. You don't want to apply the lash too low. The glue can get in your eye and it's just very uncomfortable. You'll feel it when you do that because you won't be able to stand it. So yeah, just pay close attention to where I'm applying the lash.
Jacob, this shit crack.
Okay, so check me out. I did this all by myself. I'm so excited. I like this one better than this one. I'm feeling it in still, but I should have did it the same way. I made a mistake and put a long one there, and then this one kind of like cat eye-ish. So I don't know what style I like better. Well, yeah, I do. I like this one. Oh, that one right there. But it is what it is now. It's done, so I gotta make them the same. Jesus Christ. Oh well. Yeah.
Jacob, this shit crack.
Yeah, that's starting to look a lot better.
This is the finished look. I decided not to fill anymore, But thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Essential feet cause I'm the prize. Let me tell you something true, girl. Rock with me, I'll show you a brand new world. Yeah.